Hi, it's Charlie Kimber speaking to you from Parliament Square as the cops move in to arrest those of us who are holding signs saying, I oppose genocide, I support Palestine, and we are here to defend protest rights generally and specifically to speak out against genocide. And we know that it is not a crime to protest against genocide. It is a crime to carry out and enable genocide. The people who should be imprisoned are Netanyahu, are Ben Gvir, are Keir Starmer and Donald Trump. They are carrying out a genocide in Gaza and they are seeking to eliminate the Palestinian people. We stand with the struggle of the Palestinian people and we will defend protest rights here. Lift the ban, no more prescriptions, victory to the Palestinians.
Go to Israel. I thought it was Poland. I thought it was go back to Poland. Make up your mind. Are we going back to Poland?